Paul. He says, hey, transparent overlays to optimize your images. What QR code generator do you use? I'm just using Sniply. And I just use Sniply for that now. I've tested I've used a bunch of different AppSumo and stuff for years, but the problem with those are if they go out of business or they don't support codes that are out on the web. Ask me how I know. I can't tell you how many projects I have with images that have QR codes that don't work anymore because I tried to save a couple of bucks by buying a lifetime deal on AppSumo, and then a year later, all of those QR codes are no longer valid anymore. So don't be me. Right? Just pay 20, 30 bucks a month or whatever it is for Sniply, or buy an annual, or something. It doesn't have to be this one. Just find something that has a monthly subscription fee, because then it's likely going to continue. Hopefully that makes sense. But I just use Sniply for that. Multiple QRs on the image, no, just one. And I talk about this. I usually for most of my projects is I create 3 QR codes. 3 QR codes. I'm doing a lot of note taking today. I do one for the money site, usually the location landing page. So, and I do one for the GB website URL, and then I do one for the Google Map URL, GB Map URL. Hopefully that makes sense. And what I'll do is I'll just swap out, like, if we've got 12 images, 4 images will have that QR code, 4 images will have that. Plus, I overlay the logo. By the way, guys, image optimization, if you always include the brand name in the alt text, I know everybody tries to squeeze keywords in the alt text for images, but also include the brand name, right? Because here's the thing, when people do a brand search, you can have your images pop in an image carousel for a brand search. They're all relevant images that have your logo and then the QR code. So again, it's very important, in my opinion, to do that for all of my projects now. If it doesn't have a Google Business website, I just create one QR code for the site, the homepage URL, excuse me. And then we'll just include that. Like one of the projects that I was just talking about for Martinsburg that I've been working on for the last 2 days is a project without its own Google Business asset. So I've got one QR code for that site, if that's clear. So it's one QR code across all the images. Again, if I got a Google Business profile, I'm going to do this, and we will just take a specific number and just use on the site, and Google Business, etc. Google Business profiles, photos, all of that. Okay, moving on.